Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to my page, guys. So, guys, today is another soup day. At least once a week, guys, I have to make some soup. And today I'm making some broccoli, yellow squash, dumpling, beans. Guys, one mix up over here. So follow the process, guys, as I make this soup. All right, guys, here we go. So, guys, right here I have some kale that I get from my garden, just a handful of kale. So guess what? I'm gonna blend it out and I'm gonna use it to make the soup. Watch the process, guys. Yes, guys, so now I'm gonna blend out the yellow squash. So guys, when you're making the soup, what I realize when you blend out the stuff, it come out better in my soup. So I'm just gonna do it my way, not the old-fashioned way, do it my way. Okay, guys, I'm putting the water in the blender. And puree, guys. So I'm gonna mix. Mixing everything together, guys. Both the kale and the yellow squash. So I'm blending everything. Put them in one thing, guys. And so, guys, I'm not gonna cook all of this. I'm gonna leave some for me to make soup another day. So, guys, at least once a week I make soup. Even if it's cold outside or it's hot, I make soup. So, guys, I have to make sure my blender dry inside. Yes, guys. So you know, instead of waiting on your pumpkin or your squash to cook out, you just blend it out. So once you blend out everything, you don't have to wait, guys. So that's what I'm doing. I hope this doesn't have too much. Just pour your water. And guys, I'm putting some beans in the soup too, you know. Guys, this is a mix up over here. Wipe off my counter. Okay, guys, so that's that. Then plug out the blender, wipe out the inside, make sure it's clean for another day. And so, guys, this is it right here. I'm gonna mix everything together. Guys, I don't know if you can see me on the blender pan. So I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together, guys, because guys, I'm gonna put some in my freezer for another day. So just mix them together. Don't want to waste any, guys. So guys, I'm making chicken foot also. The chicken foot is already in the pot boiling. And I'm putting some pinto beans. I'm putting some pinto bean, guys. So guys, this is my puree broccoli that I had in the freezer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this in the pot to boil out. And so guys, I'm gonna take out whatever. I'm gonna seal some of this in my freezer, guys. So I'm gonna freeze some for another soup there. So this is gonna go in my freezer to make soup another day. Guys, the bag is not locked in. Okay, so this is locked. Wipe off the bag. And guys, watch the process as I put the rest in my pot. And this is my pinto bean, black bean. Pinto bean with black bean I'm putting in the soup because I'm not using a lot of carb. I'm just going to use the beans and the chicken foot with some a little piece of white yam. So I'm going to put a piece of white yam in there too. And that's it. So watch the process, guys, as I put these ingredients in the pot with the chicken foot, guys. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys. So now I'm gonna put the broccoli. It's frozen, guys, still frozen. So I'm putting in the broccoli, and now I'm gonna put so that's the kale and the yellow squash. So I'm rinsing out my container, guys, because I want to make sure I put everything. So guys, this is a broccoli, kale, and beans soup with chicken foot. So this is like a vegetable soup, guys. So I'm gonna put the beans. And now I'm gonna just cover this, guys, and let it cook down. All right, guys, I'll check you back, guys, as soon as I put the rest of stuff in. So when I put the rest of, I'm gonna put the rest of stuff in, I'll be back. All right, guys, take care of yourself. So guys, I have some white yam here and some breadfruit. Hope you can see, guys, the light. So I'm gonna just put that in the pot. Splashing, guys. So I'm putting that in the pot, guys. And I have some corn. And I don't think I'm making any dumpling today, guys. I have some potato. I was gonna use this, guys, but I'm just gonna put this. This is already cooked, so I'm just gonna add this to the soup with the corn, and that will be the carb with the beans. That's it. So guys, watch the process, guys. My light. Sorry, guys, I'm trying a new thing. Let's see if it works. Yes, guys, so next time you see me, I'll be putting the corn and the potato in the pot and prepare my seasoning that I'm gonna put in the soup. Okay, guys, let's check on the soup. So guys, as I said, I'm not putting no dumpling in my soup. I usually put dumpling, but because I have the breadfruit and the white yam and the potato, I think that's enough carb plus the corn. So I'm gonna let the potato the breadfruit and the white yam cook out, and then I'm gonna add the corn and season up my meat, my soup. All right, guys. So I'll check you back, guys, later. Okay, guys. So now, guys, I'm gonna put in the corn and season up the soup. I'm gonna add the soup, right? The corn, guys. So these are frozen corn, guys, that I have in my freezer. So guys, most of the time I freeze my stuff, so when I need them, I just take them out the freezer and use them. I'm trying to make things easier for myself, guys. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna season up the soup. So the first thing, guys, I have some dry thyme. I'm gonna put the thyme in. So guys, I dry my own thyme, wash the thyme, dry it, and use it to cook. So guys, I'm gonna add some scallion. I'm gonna cut up the scallion, guys. You can just cut the scallion stalk in 2 or 3 and put it in your pot. But because I want the whole thing in the soup and I don't want to waste any, I'm just gonna cut it up in the soup like if I'm cooking meat. And I'm gonna use some grace cock soup. I'm not gonna use a lot. I rarely use butter in my soup, guys. But it's not a lot of chicken food, so I think I'm gonna put a little piece of butter. I don't want to use all this scallion. Still have some more. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the butter. I'm gonna put a little piece of butter, guys. Now, let me put the grace cock soup first. So, guys, I'm not using no salt because the powder seasoning that I'm using the soup, they already have salt, so I don't need to put extra salt because I do low sodium. Some people cook with black pepper. I don't really cook with black pepper. I think I need 2 packs, so I'm just gonna put 2 packs. These stuff already have salt, guys, so you don't need to put no salt. Guys, I hope you're hearing me. So the beans that is in here, guys, is the canned beans. So I have puree broccoli, butterscotch, squash, butter squash, breadfruit and white yam and potato, Idaho potato and the corn. And now, guys, I'm going to put a little piece of butter, not a lot, guys, because I try not to cook with all this excess grease. So I'm just going to put a small piece of butter, just a little piece. Guys, you have to watch cholesterol. You don't need all this extra grease. Because who said you have to use all this grease to cook? The chicken foot already have grease in it. So guys, I hope you can see my pot. Let me see if I bring up the camera so you could see. So there you go. Nice, guys. So let me taste and see if I need more seasoning. Okay, guys, I need nothing more. So, guys, I'll check it back, guys. So there the soup is, guys. So I'll check it back, guys. Okay, guys, so let's check on the soup. Smell good? Let's see if it tastes good like how it smells good. Yes, guys, tastes good and it smells good. So, guys, there you go. So what is in this mix up, guys? You have puree broccoli, puree buttersquash, corn, yam, potato, Idaho potato, black bean, pinto bean, breadfruit, chicken foot. Guys, I'll put the ingredient in the description box. And I season with grace cock soup, a little piece of butter, pinch of butter, scallion, and thyme. So guys, as I say, at least once a week I cook soup, no matter what the weather is like, whether it's summer, spring, or fall. I cook soup once a week. And this is my soup, guys. Alright, guys, let me show you. Nice, guys. If it's not too thick and it's not too watery. So this soup, guys, mostly it's gonna be poured into cups. Hold on, guys, let me get a cup. So that's it up and personal, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna pour some into a cup. So guys, let's see. Take out a chicken foot, piece of corn. Guys, the pot is still boiling, so this is hot. And there you go, guys. Right? That's the soup, guys. I can't figure out how to turn my camera around. So there you go. That's the soup right there. Alright, guys. Let me do it. Eat some like you see. So, guys, this is very hot. There you go, guys. It's very hot. Yes, guys, it tastes good. So this is my breadfruit. My corn, chicken foot. So guys, I turn off the stove. And I'm gonna drink this and I'm gonna go get ready to go to church. So guys, I try to do faceless, right? Faceless work out for me. Now I try to do with my face. But guys, it's hard because I think I have a tripod stick. I'm gonna try to use that. See if it work out for me. The thing is, I cannot figure out how to turn my camera around to continue my faceless, and I didn't want to stop the video and start again. So guys, if you try this soup, please let me know how you like it. The first thing for the broccoli, guys, I don't know. I steam my broccoli and I have them in the freezer. I puree them out and keep them in Ziploc bag. So when I'm making my soup, I just take out one and make it. The same thing with the squash or pumpkin. I puree them out. I put them in the freezer in Ziploc bag. And when I'm ready for my soup, I just take it out and put it in the soup. The corn, clean them, put them in the freezer. When I'm ready, I just chop them up and put them in my soup. So, guys, my channel is about simple cooking. Simple stuff that I cook on a daily basis. Soup is one of them I cook on a weekly basis. So, that's it. So, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment, subscribe, and share. If you like the video, comment. If you like the video, subscribe. If you like the video, like. Alright, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you subscribing. I appreciate your comment. And I appreciate you watching, because I'm trying to do, as I said, but I can't figure out how to turn the camera around. So I have to keep it this way until I learn. I'm just starting. And so as I go along, I will learn the best way to go about this cooking business. So take care of yourself, guys. Until next time, walk good, and remember that Jesus loves you and I do too. All right, guys, check you and I see ya.